If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. The world's largest farmers' fertilizer cooperative, Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Limited, has been in service of Indian farmers for more than 5 decades, with a firm resolve to improve soil fertility and crop production for better Indian agriculture. IFCO has humbly taken concrete steps for the benefit of farmers, with respect to their agricultural, social and economic growth and development. Continuous increase in global population and food demand, with a lesser environment footprint, has become a major concern all over the world. In this light, the introduction of innovative and novel agri-inputs can solve both these problems in a sustainable way. IFCO, being a farmers' cooperative, has understood this problem and indigenously manufactured globally patented proprietary product. Nano Urea, which is a nanotechnology-based product developed for the first time in the world at IFCO Nano Biotechnology Research Center, NBRC, at Kalol, Gujarat. Major aim of development of Nano Urea are: 1. Develop the most advanced nitrogenous fertilizer having better use efficiency. 2. Reduce imbalanced and indiscriminate application of urea. 3. Increase crop productivity. And 4. Reduce soil, water and air pollution with precision and balanced application. Nanotechnology helps in devising nano options such as nanoscale fertilizer that can be precisely applied for providing targeted nutrient supply to crops without its losses to the environment. This can provide a viable option to shift from conventional bulk fertilizer application to plants' need-based application. Nitrogen is the major nutrient required by plants for their better growth and development. Nitrogenous fertilizer such as urea is presently applied by the farmers to meet the crop nitrogen requirement. Urea is not fully utilized by the crops, resulting into its substantial losses to the environment, causing air, soil and water pollution. Nano urea particles are very effective because of size and more per unit surface area, compared to urea prills or granules. When nano urea is sprayed on the leaves, it easily gets absorbed into the plant system directly and through stomata. Nano urea, on entering into the leaves, is distributed to other plant parts through phloem translocation and metabolically assimilated as proteins, amino acids, etc. as per the plant's need. Nano urea stored in plant cell vacuole is released slowly in a controlled manner, as per the plant need during its entire growth cycle. For better result, a half-liter bottle of nano urea has to be sprayed 2 times at critical growth stages of the crop. When crop nutrient requirement is more, such as at the initial growth stage and at pre-flowering stage. Benefit of 500 ml bottle of IFCO Nano shall replace minimum 1 bag of urea. Providing benefit of better soil, air, water in perpetuity. IFCO Nano Urea can be applied safely to all types of crops, such as cereals, vegetables, fruit crops, turf grasses and oil seeds crops. IFCO Nano Urea has been evaluated and validated according to the guideline for the evaluation of nano agri input released by the Department of Biotechnology, DBT, Government of India, and Fertilizer Control Order, 1985, Government of India, in close collaboration with ICAR, KVK and at NABL accredited lab. It was observed and validated that IFCO Nano products are safe to use both for the user and the environment. Further, its application improves soil health, and will reduce the demand of conventional bulk fertilizer, like urea, on farmers' field for achieving optimum or targeted crop yields. Additionally, IFCO Nano Urea has many more incremental benefits. It is cost-effective and available to farmers at 10% lower cost than a bag of urea. And it can be used in dry land agriculture and for protected cultivation. IFCO Nano Urea can provide benefit to the Government of India in terms of saving of thousands of crores of subsidy. Crop efficacy test results of nano nitrogen by Indian Council of Agriculture Research, ICAR, and state agriculture universities, SAUS, indicates that IFCO Nano Urea can potentially provide an additional income of about 2,000 rupees per acre to the farmer. Achieved and incremental benefits of nano urea will certainly result in enhancing farmers' income and assure additional revenue to our country. Through reduction in subsidy outgo and expenditure on account of foreign exchange spent on fertilizer imports. IFCO Nano Urea aims and fulfills the dream of the country to provide innovative and indigenous agri-products and solutions to challenges being faced by Indian agriculture and the farmers of the country. It effectively complements as well as boosts the vision of Atmanirbhar Krishi and Atmanirbhar Bharat, in the quest to reach the unreached. Hope you like this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.